Hi everybody, I'm Maddie, founder of Hollis Creative Academy, and if you've found this Skool community, I'm so excited that you're here. I've created this Skool community for beginner freelancer social media managers, or honestly any creative freelancer who is interested in building a real sustainable, successful business, but might not know where to start. 3 years ago, I started as a freelance social media manager, and I was charging maybe $500 a month for my services. And my husband, he became a videographer, and at the beginning of our business we decided to do this together and partner as social media strategist, social media manager, and videographer. We both started with absolutely no skills, and I have the crappy content to prove it. But now, 3 years later, we've actually scaled our agency to a healthy 6-figure business. We brought on new team members, and my goal for this community is not to gatekeep this information. We are sharing every single thing that we've learned about this creative industry. Now, the thing about creative freelancing is that most creative freelancers don't fail because they lack the skill. They often fail because they lack the structure and the systems that they need to build a sustainable and successful business. So that's exactly what this community has been created for. We have everything that you need to know to run and build a successful and sustainable creative freelance business. And if that sounds like something that you would be interested in, definitely join the community, enjoy your 7-day free trial, and I hope to see you inside.